Shut this off here. Old Rusty's been a huge help today. My bench is absolutely blown out. There's the RM250 engine, so you guys can tell the sequence of these videos. Yeah, let's go take a look at what I've been working on. So what I ended up doing was I took one of the wall flanges that I had cut off originally, and then I welded that back on like that, and then I set this whole thing on top of the extinguisher, and I welded around the edge after I knocked that brass slug out. And I took the TIG welder and I filled in all the little screw holes, and then I took one of these chrome escutcheons and I enlarged the hole, because the hole's for the smaller diameter pipe, and that's what I slid down over the top. So yeah, let's go take a look at it up close. Okay, so that's where it is. That's one of the escutcheons that I took and just clearanced it enough to slide over the top of this pipe. I did get a chance to clean this guy out a little bit. Still has a little bit of movement in it, but that's in the pipe itself, because you see I put a bracket, and we're not getting much. We're not getting much movement, a little bit, but it is what it is. Cleaned up the welds, took a Scotch-Brite pad, cleaned up the welds. I still have to do some cleaning around here, but I just had to put it on there and take a look. Oops. And that's not welded on there. I did it with the flange coming out of the bottom. Now I need to poke the hole in the bottom. I made sure everything was level and square, and when I welded on the piece, I took one of the larger pipes and I cut a section out of it to shrink it down so it would fit this nice and snug. And then once I'm all sure this is the way I want to go, I can slide that sucker on there, and then I'm going to give it a little ticky-tacky to hold it in place. Or I may not even need to. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it holds on there. But for the most part, not for the most part anything. I'm going to cut this open right now, and we're going to slap this on here and see what she sounds like. I like it. You guys want to hear it? I know I do. And I love how that stainless just cleans up. Sit you guys back about here. Sorry for making you jiggle. Fire this girl up, see what happens. Think I got you in the shot? Yeah, here, why not? Choke. Come on, sound good. And go. Ha ha, psych. Go. I like that. I like that a lot. so much better. I do have to we'll definitely zip tie these wires out of the way. Already got an idea for a little heat shield. Just right here. I like that. That is not as loud as the last muffler, and it's definitely not as obnoxious. I just didn't like the sound of the other one. Well, you know what time it is now. It's flopper time.